Yes, you can train a cat to come on command, use a toilet, and more, and it's all much easier than you thought. Every editorial product is independently selected, though we may be compensated or receive an affiliate commission if you buy something through our links. Check the description for useful links. Ratings and prices are accurate and items are in stock as of the time of publication. First things first, never punish. Cats simply won't learn from what some owners would consider discipline. Worse yet, punishing your cat can induce stress, leading to behavioral and health problems, not something you want to deal with in cat training. Remember that patience and positive reinforcement are essential if you're learning how to train a cat. Trying to figure out your cat's behavior. Here are 17 things your cat would love to tell you. Next, get a clicker and treats. Commonly used as training tools for a wide variety of animals, a clicker will set you back just a couple bucks and help you give positive reinforcement when you're learning how to train a cat. You can also use a regular pen with a clicky button. The important thing is to have a distinct noise you can make instantly. Most cat training involves offering your cat a treat it likes, following a click to mark the desired behavior. These tactics also work when it comes to giving your cat a kill. Without the clicker, your cat may be confused about why it's being rewarded. If it obeys a command, hears the click, and then gets a treat, it's more likely to catch on. To keep your cat from scratching you, follow these tips. How to train a cat to come on command. Cats can learn to respond to a vocal cue and run your way. The ISPCA notes that you might use this skill to bring your cat in should it dash out unexpectedly. This step of how to train a cat starts by making a distinct noise before feeding. Before you open a bag or can vocally call your cat or click your tongue. Your pet will learn to associate that noise with something positive, food, and will eventually head to you when it hears it. Then, encourage this behavior outside of normal feeding times. Start from short distances. Make the noise, use your clicker when your cat comes, and then reward your pet with the treat. Over time, call the cat from longer distances. The ISPCA recommends up to 2 cat training sessions a day, for 5 minutes or less, during which you should repeat the behavior up to 20 times. Here's how to tell how smart your cat is. By the way, how to train a cat to use a toilet. Training a cat to use the toilet definitely takes some work, but think of the benefits. You'll save on litter and enjoy a cleaner home. First, place a litter box adjacent to your toilet. Then gradually bring it closer and closer to the top of seat. You might need a stool to make the process easier on the cat. Once your pet is accustomed to using a litter box on top of the toilet, transition to a special litter box that fits within the toilet itself. Buy flushable litter and expect spillover. Gradually use less and less litter to get your cat accustomed to doing its business without it, and then remove the litter box entirely. If you hate cleaning up cat poo, try one of these self-cleaning litter boxes that will clean the mess up for you. How to train a cat to shake hands. This cat training is simpler than you might expect. Get a treat ready, then align yourself to the same level as your cat. Tap your cat's paw while saying shake and use your clicker when it moves its paw. Repeat training until your cat offers its paw in response to the shake command without tapping. Like the come on command trick, this can take a few training sessions over the course of a couple of days. Once this skill is mastered, your cat will be well behaved and ready to star in some internet cat memes. How to train a cat to beg. This is similar to the shake hands trick. Hold a treat just above your cat's head and give a beg command. Your pet should stand on its hind legs and reach up for the snack click to mark the behavior and then give your cat its treat. Practice until your cat begs on command without needing a treat dangled overhead. If you really want to learn how to train a cat well, make sure you always reward your pet but never feed your cat milk. How to train a cat to walk on a leash. Get a harness with a leash that attaches at the cat's back, not its neck. The ISPCA recommends that before putting it on you leave it out for a few days in areas where your cat goes, like its feeding area or favorite sleeping spot, so that the animal is accustomed to the sight of it. Next, You'll transition to draping the harness over the cat without fully attaching it when giving it a treat. You'll eventually move to securing the harness around the cat without the leash. Leave it on your cat for a couple of minutes at first, then increase the time over the course of days. Once your pet is comfortable with the harness, attach the leash to it and let your cat wander freely inside with it.